Up next on Good Taste, scrumptious foods and a scandalous past are on the menu here. Then, to hallowed ground on Houston's east side for a sizzling feast. And you'll get the recipe for one of the most famous sauces in Texas. Plus, we'll head to Austin where gas station food goes gourmet.
This place is pure Austin.
Good Taste starts right now. Hi everyone, welcome to a brand new season of Good Taste. I'm Tanji Patton. Each week we travel the state to find the best food for you we can find. And we're at an awesome place right now, the Historic Pearl Brewery, home to at least a dozen incredible dining spots. Also here, Hotel Emma. And as you're about to find out, a hotel with a colorful and scandalous past that just happens to have some pretty awesome food. Hotel Emma sits smack dab in the center of San Antonio's hottest new haven for foodies, Pearl.
You know, we knew about Emma, and so we were really looking forward to coming.
This stunning hotel was once the original brew house at Pearl.
Love the decor, the feel, the atmosphere.
The grand structure pairs perfectly with its beautiful dining venue, simply called Supper. But things weren't always so simple back in its early days. The hotel's namesake was Emma Kohler, the brewery's feisty owner whose husband was murdered in the midst of a love triangle. Emma persevered, saving jobs and the brewery during Prohibition. You might say Supper embraces that bold spirit, daring its diners to dive into the deliciousness of executive chef John Brand's Southern creativity. Like the tender grilled beef Santa Maria, drenched in garlic chimichurri sauce with decadent duck fat potatoes. Or the succulent pork prime rib on a bed of grilled radicchio and red cabbage with a tangy pressed apple and vinegar reduction. Then there's the crispy sweet sorghum roasted carrots on a pillow of creme fraiche with poppy seeds. So good, you'll want to eat your veggies first.
So tell me about your vision for Supper, because I know you and I know you're a very passionate guy, passionate about your food, and you're also very passionate about the folks you work with.
I think what's special about Supper is it's approachable. It's nothing too precious. We take the food seriously, and we try to understand it, not manipulate it too much. So I think we have a strong focus on vegetables, but we're equally as skilled with any of the other meats.
This talented chef brings a wealth of experience from some of the best kitchens around the country.
Well, I love the name, because to me the name imparts, it just means family.
Yep.
You think all good comfort things,
Yes,
right?
yes, yeah, and yes, we do want things that we wanted food that you could relate to, food that you would understand, food that we like to eat as well, but not something that you're going to find elsewhere in San Antonio. So not too stereotyped by the zip code and cliche free.
His motto? Simple food done well with the focus on technique.
Okay, so Chef, your vegetables are going right on the wood.
Yes, we use a blend of mesquite and mesquite hardwood and post oak locally from the area, and we found that we can get utilize this wonderful piece of equipment for our vegetables versus just a traditional roast or throwing them in the oven. We do have a great grill, which is awesome, but I like the I guess I like treating vegetables like they were meat.
Yeah.
In this application, not everything. I don't want to get smoky, too smoky. But I do want to have a good roast or a char to them. I think vegetables are awesome that way.
Just add so many different layers of flavor.
Here, Chef Brand adds that smoky goodness to charred eggplant. Peel and all, it goes in the blender with a squeeze of fresh lemon, garlic, a pinch of salt and pepper, and a big bunch of fresh basil.
And so what will you serve this on?
I will serve it with, tonight I'll serve it with some sole for one of your dishes. I serve it for lunch and a lot of crispy vegetables.
Oh, whoa. I think I could eat a bowl of it.
Could have like dip chips in or whatever.
Absolutely.
And you can eat it cold as well. So
I've got 2 spoons. That is good. It really is.
Good.
That is fantastic.
Now that you know supper truly shines, here, the cool ambiance and creative cocktails also entice a who's who clientele.
And I should tell you, for those of you that like to kind of dine where the movers and shakers dine, you've got some Spurs loyalists, NBA types I've seen here from time to time.
Right. We have some regulars, and we're proud of that. So.
Supper's pastry chef has the inside scoop on Tony Parker's favorite cake. She should know. She crafted the cake for his birthday.
So what flavor?
You know, they wanted to keep it really simple, so he had a vanilla cake with pastry cream and strawberry filling.
And I bet it was fantastic.
I think so.
No plain vanilla here. Jen's other desserts are a funky fusion of flavors.
The desserts are really creative, right?
This thing has celery in it. It's the panna cotta.
She's talking about the Sweet Corn Panna Cotta with blueberries and celery relish. I had to try it.
I'm eating celery in the dessert. Who knew? It's really good.
Like everything at Supper and Hotel Emma, simply delightful.
Supper is an awesome place, and you could win dinner there right now. All you have to do is like us on Facebook at Good Taste with Tanji. Coming up next, duck ham and eggs and pig face pretzels. Only one place in Austin you'll find them. But next, fajita frenzy. We're taking you to the kitchen where it all began. And later, my wine finds of the week. They're incredible. We'll be right back. Good things come from Cisco.